Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by controlling your breathing because hiccups are diaphragm spasms that respond to CO2 and vagal signals. First, inhale normally, then hold your breath for 10 to 20 seconds. This raises CO2 and calms the diaphragm. Once done, sip 1/2 cup cold water slowly while leaning forward slightly to stimulate the vagus nerve and reset the rhythm. Make sure to relax your shoulders and jaw so the chest cavity isn't tense, which helps the diaphragm release. Now continue with vagus nerve and pressure techniques to interrupt the hiccup reflex. If you're comfortable, gently massage one carotid sinus for 5 to 10 seconds. This can reset the reflex arc, but stop if dizzy. Alternatively, breathe slowly into a paper bag for 30 to 60 seconds to raise CO2 again and suppress spasms. If those fail, pull your knees to your chest or swallow a teaspoon of granulated sugar. Both change sensory input and can stop the hiccups. To finish, retry the safest maneuvers: breath hold plus cold water or a sugar swallow, repeating once if needed. Make sure to rest and avoid sudden temperature or meal changes that can re-trigger spasms. If hiccups persist beyond 48 hours, become painful, or interfere with eating and breathing, seek medical evaluation because persistent hiccups may signal underlying issues. Troubleshooting tip: combine a short breath hold with a cold water sip. If that fails, stop and consult a clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.